You're watching ShotokuTech Behind the Scenes. Hey, welcome back to ShotokuTech. Since my last video, ShotokuTech Update April 2020, I decided to see how I could put my 3D printing stuff to work, and I found that if you search OSCMS and search a city or a state, then you can locate here. This was a GoFundMe, and they're talking about how they're working on using various people from the community, 3D printing, laser cutting, etc. And then you get the link to the Facebook page where you can join the group. And of course, they've got something going here today. Yeah, that's today at 11 a.m. And I'm going to show you why I'm a little behind the 8 ball on that. Retooling from printing rocket parts to printing personal protection equipment has been a bit of a challenge. Here you can download the face shield frame, and they're putting anything from sheet protector with hole punch to get it on there. And then there's people even doing fancy laser cutting with firmer materials. I don't have access to that kind of material. I do have a laser cutter, so if I had that kind of material, but you can't get it on Amazon fast enough for today. So I'll talk a little bit more about retooling my 3D printing facilities for face shields. And then there's also this adjustable band. If you run out of elastic, you can print this adjustable band. We're going to talk about why that didn't work out too well for me either. But we're going to keep trying. I figure perhaps I can look for the next opportunity and deliver some ear savers. Those should be pretty easy to produce. And let's go take a look at that 3D printing stuff right now for a second. Let's go.
So let's go take a look over here. So yeah, they were saying, yeah, print these. These headbands are headbands for face shields. I can't for the life of me on the Ender 3, I can't for the life of me get that 2 layers to be solid. It's just got holes in it. And they're tiny holes, but still, that's kind of the whole point of having that shield, is that goes across the forehead, preventing stuff from falling in. And then, so I tried printing these straps with the PET-G. The PET-G, it came out okay, but you know, even I felt like I was wasting my time, because you can kind of get it to hold the headband on. And I'll demonstrate. Hang on a sec. I'm just putting these on here. Whoops, that's the wrong kind. So got that there. So yeah, these got these straps. That goes through there. And I was feeling kind of like I was accomplishing something, but then, you know, basically that strap doesn't hold. Now somebody could just bump into you and it would fall off, and then you had a problem anyway. So I figured the headbands and the straps. Now the Ender 3 has a big enough bed to print these headbands, no problem. It does a poor job on the layering. No matter what I do, there's always just tiny, minute holes in there. This guy's doing great, the Prusa, and it's got this awesome PEI sheet on there, so you get a nice smooth finish, and it's been filling in on all of the layers really nice. So, but unfortunately, that PEI sheet isn't just barely wide enough to fit the headband. In fact, I tried to print one and it didn't really work out very well. So I'm kind of having to abandon that. I think what I'm going to do is make the ear savers. So I'm a little behind. I'm just retooling from making rockets to making medical equipment, apparently. But I thought I'd give it a try. And I wanted to talk to you about how you get involved with that.
Okay, we're back. Anyway, I also want to talk about Sunday at 1 p.m. Pacific time. I'm going to do my first live stream. It's going to be a story time and question and answer. Leave any questions that you want to have answered in the comment section here, or of course we'll have the live chat going as well. Yeah, it's Easter Sunday. Yeah, it's 1 p.m. I get that. It'll be a small audience. Hopefully some people will show up. Yeah, you're certainly welcome to come. I'd enjoy it. But anyway, thanks again. Thanks for watching ShotokuTech. Thank you for watching ShotokuTech. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share.